no clue what I'm gonna say.
I don't know what.
Well, either way, how you look at it, taste test challenge again, but this time we're doing sour stuff again. So we got Sour Punch straws. What are these? Jolly Rancher gummies. Sour.
And then sweet.
What the heck is this?
Sweet, insanely sour strawberry belts.
Belts?
Yes, belts.
Those aren't gonna be good. No, they're not.
Boy.
But anyway, taste test challenge. Got any questions, Joy?
I stopped asking questions a long time ago. Whew.
Why is there tweezers in there?
So we don't. It doesn't. To do this.
Oh, it's supposed to be. Okay, now I know what it is.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Oh yeah, non-GMO. Yeah, I'm real worried about that.
What the hell are you? What the heck are you doing? Okay, you are making me dizzy by doing that. Will you knock it off and get your butt over here?
Gotta step it up a little bit here, folks. Yeah.
What the hell are you doing with that?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Is that necessary?
And if that didn't work to get them to go to sleep, I always got option B.
Oh God! What the hell?
Go to sleep!
Will you get over here so I can get this video done? Alright, who's going for? Put the thing away!
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
What the heck?
No.
Put the damn thing away. Enough!
Yeah, whatever. This is fun though. This is actually fun. Actually, we might want to use this. It'd probably be better. To be honest, we do need to figure out something about our sound.
Yes, I know. We gotta figure something out for the sound. Alright, who's going first?
You.
Me?
Yes, you. Do you need me to speak louder? Because we
No. My ears still are freaking ringing from earlier.
You know, we have a mic. I can make it louder.
No. I just told you, my ears are still ringing, and we have a sleeping baby.
We also have 3 other kids screaming "mommy."
Well, they can scream all they want. They need to take their butts to bed.
Well, they are in their rooms.
They need to go to sleep. Don't you dare turn that stupid thing back on.
I'm trying to figure out where your brain's at. Oh, wait.
I don't have one.
Hang on. I gotta make sure your mom hears this one.
Do not.
Yeah, I do. Hang on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
What is that?
Can we just leave the
The
stupid whale
radio
alone?
mode. Aux input mode.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Then leave it the hell alone.
I need to make sure your mom can hear this one.
Oh, good God.
Should have been that is all.
Ow. Will you stop?
Do you want to try it?
No.
Our neighbors are probably like, what the fuck is going on over there?
Will you stop it?
To be honest, you're blindfolded and I have a Nerf gun. What could happen?
Yeah, I know I'm fucking blindfolded and it's too loose.
You need me help? You need my help?
Well, duh.
Well, you didn't say anything.
Ow.
Did she say that she needed help, guys? Comment down below.
Okay, ready when you are.
First one. Nah. Now you also got to give me a rating of how sour that is.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
A 0.
Do you not? Where's the package? Come on. Next one.
And that was supposedly sour strawberry belts. No.
And everybody has logged off. Because you take too damn long.
You gave me a whole damn strip!
What the? It was still hanging out. Genius.
Okay. That is a Jolly Rancher. And that is a 5.
You never gave me a rating for the first one, so
I said 0!
And you know which one this is.
Okay. That was a sour punch, Sean. That was a 10.
Alright, please remove the blindfold.
And don't you dare shoot me. Oh my god. Ow!
Did that actually...
Yes!
You wanna know the messed up thing is? That's the rounded ones. There
That,
are flat ones in
that
here.
hurt!
There are flat ones in here, and they hurt way worse.
You got me right here.
I know where I hit you.
And my arm.
I didn't hit your arm.
Yeah.
I hit your side.
It also hit my arm because my arm is hurting.
Probably because you're complaining. It's gonna sit there for a little bit. Go to sleep!
So I rated this one a 0, that one a 5, and that one a 10.
See how I do. Truthfully, neither one of us are probably gonna get a pie to the face. There ain't no way. Just, oh yeah. I think this is just a video, just be a video. Hey, what?
You ready?
Yep.
First one.
Sour punch.
Alright, what's your rating?
I'll give that an 8.
Alright. Next one.
That's actually really good though. Can I have another one of those? Jolly Rancher.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to give that one a 2.
Alright, last and final one.
That's the belt. This is a negative 2.
Alright, take off your blindfold.
That's really sweet. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna say that's a negative.
Why do you think I said 0? There's no sourness to it.
And it says insanely sour.
No, I should say insanely freaking sweet.
I call that fraud.
So do we each get a pie to the face since we got him right?
Yeah, well.
That was just a bull crap. If you're gonna put insanely sour on it, make sure it's freaking sour!
I don't think you can make strawberry sour, can you?
Not really, but still.
Oh, that's why it's not sour. It came from New York.
What the F?
New York don't know how to make sour candy.
No, they don't, apparently.
If you want something really sour, same with like spicy stuff, you gotta go down south. Confused?
Clearly.
No, for real. You have
No,
to go
I don't
down
doubt
south.
it.
You have to go down south for something like that. If you want to be poisoned, go to Ohio. I'm sorry, that was a bad joke. Especially for right now.
Take your pie.
These are actually really good. And they actually got a kick.
I know.
Is this like a new formula or something?
Probably. Because last time they nearly didn't have a kick, but now, oh my god.
They got a kick. What did you rate that one?
A 10!
And so I'm rating it between like the idea of it being 0 being no sour at all, 10 being toxic waste. Toxic waste is going to be a 10, no matter how you look at it. Warheads, I rate them around a 7. These are an 8 on that scale.
Well, the one that you gave me was a freaking 10.
Which one was that?
You gave me a green one, which was sour apple.
There's no green one in this.
Yes.
There's no green in that.
Yes, there is. I gave you a green one. I had a green one.
I'm going to have to re-look at that package because I don't remember it being a green one.
I do.
There's a yellow, which is lemon. They've
Yeah.
never had a lemon one before.
No.
They've never had lemon before. Please like and subscribe. Sorry that these videos are pretty boring this week. I am tired as all get out. Anything else you want to add?
Nope.
Okay, we're going to try and do other punishments along with other types of challenges in other videos. Like you want to do your baking.
Yes, I know.
Baking. Maybe you'll see me do some more crazy stuff. Like building stuff in my dungeon.
No god.
Mad scientist.
Oh god.
Please like and subscribe. I only got my nose. I got a really big nose. You know what? Hang on. Before we go, hang on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
To the kids that are upstairs, go to bed or I'm going to use a Nerf gun on you. That is all.
Payback!
Which one did you shoot me with?
Both of them.
The first ones that you shot me with didn't hurt. These are the ones that hurt. Love you too! What the f...